Yes. We are go. What are we gonna do, buddy? Is Geo.
Plant some rice.
Yep. We're gonna experiment with planting some rice.
Hey, you remember that other day I told out this? This is what my experiment was.
Yeah, I power washed the patio and we have a lot of damage. Yeah.
Right here. Oh my God.
Yeah. Next spring I've got to regrout all this.
I will. You know what will happen?
What will happen?
I can trap some frogs in here.
Well, the goal is to not have anything living there. So, see how this over here looks? Where it's all nice in one piece? Yeah, we want that to look like this. So it's going to take us a little bit. So.
Hey, wait.
What?
Look at this. This is what happened to Mommy did this. Mommy did this.
Yes, Mommy did that.
Yeah.
Now.
Mommy didn't need it.
So. We've got our bucket.
We don't need a bucket.
Yeah. You want to come spread some rice?
I want to do it.
We're going to use some just regular old rice that we got from the store.
Ooh, what's that?
Yep.
Some shovel?
Nope, no shovel. You're just going to do it by hand.
I will whip it.
I got it. Okay, fine. You try it.
This is so much hard.
Help, Gio. Pull. Pull. Pull.
I accidentally whipped it, sorry.
Well, you're supposed to rip it, buddy.
It's hurting my finger.
Well, that's why I said let me do it.
I want to spread it.
You want to give it a try, Gio?
Mm-hmm.
No, try it. Pull. Pull, pull, pull. Alright. So, we got some regular old brown rice. Boom. There we go. Now, hold out your hand. Hold out your hands. There you go. Now spread it in the bucket. Hold out your hand, Gio. Hold out your hands. Spread it in the bucket. There you go, Gio. No, that's for your brother.
But I want to say.
There you go.
A little bit more. Yeah,
Now, this experiment we're trying is if we can grow rice from store-bought brown long grain rice. Yeah, plant more. Benny.
More. Yay! Spread.
You spread it with your hands. There you go, Gio. Cleo. All right.
Come on, we can do this. I'm a faster one, so I'm doing it.
All right. Hey, Gio, no. All right, good. No. We're just, yeah, spread it around. Good job. Now.
Some more?
All right, Gio.
Enough?
Now we level it out. All right. There we go.
What is this?
That was the plant that came from this bucket. We are going to get another bucket and plant that. All right, good. Good job. Come on, boys. Come on. But before we get... No, don't throw it. Because we're going to replant it. Silly, silly. Alright. Now, we got to do another little experiment. Come on, boys, this way. You do not need the shovel. So, grab that bucket over there, Vinny. Hey. Over there. That bucket. Right over yonder. Come on, Gio. Here, I'm just going to take that from you. Thank you.
Here's the bucket.
We're going to place that right there. Come on, boys. Grab the bucket. Let's go. Come on, Gio.
Here's the bucket, Gio.
Come on, guys. We're going over here. You making your brother carry the bucket? Alright. Vinny, go pick out a spot to put the bucket.
I know.
Did you find a spot for the bucket? Is that where we're having the bucket?
Okay. Yeah. Okay. But we need to get all this stuff out of here. Nope. Nope.
Why not? How about you let him do that and you actually listen to the experiment that we'll be doing with the bucket. So, what do you think is going to happen to that bucket for it sitting right there?
I think it's gonna die.
It's not alive. It's dead. There's really nothing in there.
Yeah, just junk.
Just a little bit of dirt and stuff. Let's find a decent sized rock right here. There you go. We got a rock in case the wind blows it away. There we go. Now, if it rains, what do you think is going to happen to that bucket?
It's gonna get water.
Yeah. Now, what happens if a frog jumps in there? You think a frog could jump out? I think a frog could jump out.
No.
Well, we're gonna.
Sink and drown.
Well, I don't think he'll sink and drown. So,
Are you sure?
we're gonna leave this bucket out here for a couple of days and see what actually goes inside the bucket.
Yes.
And the rock makes it geoproof-ish.
Hold it. I can bury you. Hold it.
All right.
Don't find me.
All right. Next up, we're going to do a quick walk around the property. Come on, Gio. Oh, look at that. He's moving it. Oh, where do you want the bucket?
I think in these pants.
He wants the bucket in his pants. I don't think they'll fit.
I think that would fit.
I don't think so. All right. So,
No? Oh my God! Did you catch something?
what did you find, Cleo? What did you find? Bet you it's a mole. But now we need to grab the hose and put water in the bucket that we put the rice in.
But I want to see what there's after.
She's just digging in the stump.
How did I can able kick that? Just what? Kick.
And now you need to tie your shoe again.
It's already broken.
Yeah, which means you need to tie your shoe again.
I'm not gonna turn.
Yes, you are. You gotta tie your shoe. Vin.
But I wanna wait. Tie my shoe.
Yes, tie your shoe.
Tie
Make sure you tie it tight.
I have to do double knot because that's the only way to get it.
Oh, I dropped the camera.
Hi, Daddy.
Hi, Gio.
Hi, Daddy.
Careful, there's a hole over there. Yeah. What did you find? That shoe's already tied, buddy. Don't oh, okay. What did you find? Need some help? What? What's right here? What is it? Spiders? I don't see spiders. Up. Up. Alright, let me put my putty on my keychain. Boof. Come here. There we go.
You're just digging.
Hey, Vinny.
What?
You need to tie the other shoe now. Your left one was untied, so you tied it, and then you untied your right one. So now you gotta tie the other one. Silly boy.
I hear it.
Oh, really? Yeah, she really dug in there to find something.
This is only the one who needs time. So, yeah. What's in her phone? Just chicken. Don't whip that. Wait.
Come on, boys. We have an experiment to finish.
I can even whip that.
Come on. Grab the hose, Vinny. Come on, Gio. Ah, okay. Maybe turn the hose off. Turn the hose off, silly boy.
I'm not.
Turn the hose off. There you go. Because your brother likes to play in the water.
Because it's fun.
It is fun. Now, grab the hose, please. Vincent.
What hose?
What do you mean, what hose? The hose I told you to grab, but you don't. Now, walk.
Walking.
Keep going. Keep going. A little bit more. Pull. Help your brother, Gio. That's great help. Alright. I think that's good, buddy. Now bring it back. Now we got to take it out by the front door where the planter is.
I have the...
Yep, pull.
Oh, me.
It's just a bee. It's fine. Come on, Gio.
Well, I have the point. Oh my gosh. I'm finally doing it. Okay.
Alright. Hold up.
It's done. He can't do this here after.
So we're just gonna...
Yeah.
There you go.
Hi, Daddy.
Yep, good job, Gio. Vinny, go turn the hose back on. Please, please, please. Run, quick. As your brother tries to dig with a hose. Gio, put it in the bucket. Put it in the bucket. Gio. There you go. You don't need to squirt it. You just fill in it full of water. Gio, no. Got something in your eye, buddy? Rinsing your hands, Gio? Okay, go turn the hose off.
I will quit.
Alright. Alright. Put the hose back. Put the hose down. Now look. See those bubbles? Yeah, it means the water's getting sucked into the dirt in the bucket. And then the water is replacing the air bubbles that are in the dirt.
Is there something in there?
No, just a lot of air.
This plant needs a lot of sun, a lot of water. Yeah.
And just for good measures. There you go. Pour some more in there. Because why not? Wouldn't be a fun experiment if we didn't go a little overkill. Alright, good. Good job. High five, Benny.
Don't do it. Don't do it.
High five? Gonna leave me. There you go. High five, Gio.
Never mind.
Gonna leave me hanging? There we go. Cleo! Get away from the road.
There's something in there.
Just dirt and now rice. But we're going to see how if any of these will grow into a rice plant.
Ow.
It doesn't hurt.
It tickles. Touch it. Tickle.
Okay, I'll touch it. Yeah, that tickles.
Ow.
That is a lot of bubbles, though. We'll just keep going.
It tickles. It tickles. It tickles.
Oh, the bubbles are over there now.
Oh my god. Oh my god. What?
Gio.
Bubbles.
Bubbles. Oh, your mother's going to be so mad when she sees how covered in mud and soaking wet you people are.
I'm not soaking wet.
You're lucky you moved. Yeah, the bubbles are there.
They're chasing size.
Well, yeah.
Why?
Water flows in the path of the least resistance and goes for the same for oxygen and everything else, basically. Alright, so now we got our bucket set up for an experiment. It's all the way over there. We have our rice experiment. Gio? Yeah, got it in your eyes, huh? Okay, we're just gonna... No, you're not flinging dirt. Alright. Gio! Yeah, got in your eyes, didn't it?
Get me away from my kid. I'm getting dirty.
And you're covered. And this, thank you guys for watching. Hopefully you found this as fun as the baby did. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and I'm now covered in mud. It's everywhere. So, our experiment failed to measure. Turns to find out that it needs to be about 70 degrees, so a heating pad underneath would have been a good idea. What we managed to do was mold it, though. Created a nice little disgusting cesspot. So that experiment is a complete fail. We'll have to try it again, maybe with a heating pad underneath of it, and much smaller, maybe an old metal pot. But smells great. Bad idea. Good experiment, bad idea. If you like this, yeah? Come here, Vinny.
Don't mind me.
Oh. Yeah, come on. You gotta show everybody on your bucket as the dog 1,000-yard stares into the unfinished garden. Gio.
Hey, Cleo. Oh. Come. Let's go with lots and lots of water, though. Nothing in there, just plain water.
You got a web from where the spider crawled across, which the camera is barely picking up. And you got a couple of pine needles.
I love
And a lot of inches of rain.
Yeah, how much rain is that?
That
You
is...
should have got a ruler.
35 cents. Oh.
I'd say about 6 inches.
No, it's not 6 inches, is it?
Well,
5.
here's about 4 inches.
5.
Yeah, maybe.
About 5 inches of water as every vehicle in town drives by. So we got 5 inches of water.
We'll use a ruler later.
We're using. All right.
Oh, actually, hold up.
Yeah, that thing measures.
Yep.
Look at that.
Look at that, 5 inches.
I told you.
Mine, Dad.
Ha, I told you. Now Gio has a bucket of water to play in.
Okay.
All right, think we should move it like
I went for 20 stars.
over there.
I went for 20
See if we get more than just water in the bucket.
Sure. Benny,
All right,
hold
let's
your
dump
other
it,
Schoolwork. Hold your schoolwork.
and we will check it in a week.
Oh.
Ah, not on me.
No. Oh!
Here comes Gio.
There's a rock in there, Gio. There's a rock in there, Gio.
He's like, I don't care. Water. All right, let's go move it.
Send your kid to the hospital today. Oh, I hit him in the head with a rock from a bucket.
It happens.
Cleo did this.
Yeah, go put your bucket where it goes. Hey, Cleo, did you catch a mole yet? She's after a mole. On top of the rocks?
Yeah, it's a rock and a bucket on a rock.
All right, what do we think's gonna happen differently to the bucket now?
Hopefully, it magically collects all the metal nails and broken glass that are right behind the rock.
That's not gonna happen, but okay. Finn, what do you think's gonna happen? You're gonna catch a raccoon or a frog or a snake? Yeah, high hopes. Yeah.
Oh my God! Look at this. I can even lift it.
Okay. Well, that's all rotten wood. That's a project on its own. We probably
Don't put stuff in the bucket.
Why? He's technically part of nature. All right, boys,
We
come
just
on.
got done our nature study for this week, which was paint samples in nature. And this is a couple that we did. Leaves are great for that nature study, that's for sure. Alright, thanks for watching. See you next time. Probably next week when we check the bucket. But if not, I'll let you know. Bye. Alright, we're checking the bucket again. It's been a week. So, seems to be something in it. Me and little Geo take a little longer to make it. You found a big old chunk of ice. Oh, it did snow yesterday. Where's the water? Did we not get any water?
What's it?
Oh, there's a teeny tiny, like, maybe 2 cups of water. Most of it's ice. Did you find a stick?
Hey.
Ooh.
Remember this part? He hasn't actually cleaned up yet, so don't come
Gio's gonna fill the bucket. That's how we do it.
There's broken glass right there.
So, Vin, how is this abandoned bucket thing?
Because we put it out here and we put it out there and then it was over there.
Do you think this week was better than last week or worse?
Better!
Why?
Because there's ice in it.
Ah, just because of ice.
Nice.
What happened? You don't like that?
Daddy found a bottle.
Alright. Now, we've got our tree thing to do. Alrighty? You want to color some trees?
Yeah! Real
What?
trees!
Yep.
I'm deaf. I did not hear you.
You heard me right. That's the thing. You heard me right. You're thinking you're not.
You color.
Yeah. See? There we go. All right. Let's get to it. See? We have a nice, perfectly semi-cut down tree to do this on. So you see?
I'm not doing that tree.
You're not doing that tree?
I'm doing that.
How are you going to do the oak? Color it up, Gio. Benny's going after the oak tree. Our one big tree in the yard.
No, not the one.
Okay, we have some huge trees, but this is the only one we're willing to keep in our yard. So, you know. Are you getting it? You're not getting it. Get over at the tree.
Do I?
I'll show you. You know how you did the leaf rubbing? Well, that's how you do it. You go put the paper. What part of the tree is that?
Acorn tree.
It goes to the oak tree. Part of a seed, right? It's the seed. They're happily coloring trees.
I broke it!
Yeah, you broke it.
I broke it, Daddy!
What?
Oh no, he broke it in half.
Broke
What will we ever do with the acorn seed being broken in half? Oh no. Can we go color the tree now? There we go. Now you're getting it. Progress. She goes after another tree. You don't color the top, you color the side. You're coloring the bark. fun. No, turn it over if you're doing another one. See?
You hold it.
I'll help.
Please.
Use the side of it.
There.
The side of the pencil.
Yeah.
Or crown. My bad. Side. The side. There you go. Progress. Gio's destroying the tree. Ah.
Done.
Give me a minute. Not too shabby. How's Gio's looking?
Minus the corner, that's me. This is me.
I like it. Alright then.
There, Gio.
Next you're identifying plant stuff. Deal? As he ignores me. Alright.
I pressed the red button.
Alright. You need to find an evergreen tree.
Gio.
Where's an evergreen tree? There we go. Pine cone tree.
Gio.
Where's the pine cone tree?
Giovanni. Here, take the crayon. Take the crayon. Trying to convince him to color a tree. Without the paper.
Come on, Gio.
Go find a tree that's alive.
It's an evergreen, not alive. A bunch of mushrooms here. Did you find it? Good job. Now, can you find a decadus tree? Broadleaf tree.
Say, Mommy, that's kind of hard. All the leaves are gone.
That's kind of a big guess in that direction, isn't it?
Well, I tried to give you the crayon, buddy, so...
Ben, broadleaf trees, the leaves fall off in the fall, right? So what tree has its leaves falling off? Already
Ellie.
gone.
Ellie. You make being a cameraman hard. Let me see your hand. Oh, no. Look at that.
It's dirty.
It's nothing.
You have one?
That
The one that's still there actually was green all summer, so you did find it.
Oh, yeah, but that's a cherry tree.
It is still a decadus tree, leaves fall off.
I know, but you should be able to say this cherry tree is a decadus tree. Like a 20-sided die.
Before he couldn't figure out what the tree was, so this is perfect.
Okay. What?
Alright, what are tree rings used for?
What, Gio?
What do we use the rings of the trees for? Count them, right? Why do we
Good
count
job, Giovanni.
Yeah, because we want to know how tall is the tree.
Close. What makes the tree get taller and taller?
Water, sunset.
Sunshine, not sunset.
You said sunshine.
Rain. But we count the leaves to find out how old it is, right?
Count the leaves.
Rings.
Leaves, you said.
Yep, I'm counting all the leaves to find its age.
That's
Oh, wow,
hard.
that's a...
Right?
Look at that tree. I don't want to get that one.
Cleo! Get out of the road.
I want to count these because I get
Well, like those there, right?
Here?
The ones that are cut.
See, come here. If you look real closely at this one, you can see that there's rings. A lot of little tiny rings all the way into the center. Or you can see it a little bit better on this one and this one.
Huh? I don't see you.
It's also a lot easier to see on fresh cut stuff. Gio! Thanks, buddy. Yeah, I know, Trash. I know. That's because we live next to a road and the people along the road like to whip trash around. But she's fine. She's just by a trunk.
Alright. Last but not least, death of a tree.
Other than Daddy.
Daddy doesn't count.
Daddy does not count.
Natural death of a tree.
Again.
Leaves falling down.
That's not death,
Nope.
now is it?
That's technically a form of hibernation.
It is hard. It's a topic we touched on, but we didn't really get to get into yet.
How about...
Giovanni. Gio.
6:16, right? You go get the small child. Alright. Look at the trees that have been cut down years ago, maybe, down in the woods. See? This is a topic we did not explore much, so that's okay. You tripped over the rock the size of the quarter and you're complaining. It's a heck of a day for you, isn't it? Alright. See that stump? Directly in front of you. See right there? See the tree stump? You know what? Walk straight. Go find the tree stump. This part of the woods is perfectly safe, by the way. He plays in it a lot. In the summer, that bush is like a den. Alright, you're hot. Keep going straight. See that big thing in front of you? See the big thing in front of you? Yeah. What was that? What's on it? And? What's the green stuff that looks like a carpet? Yeah. Moss. This is why we study plants, huh? Because we don't really know our plants. Thank you, public school system, for not getting to that yet. So, what do you think all that stuff's doing to that wood?
Killing it.
Breaking it down, right?
Why?
That's circle of life. Tree's born, it grows up.
I know.
What do you think you're doing now? Going for something else, aren't you? And we're exploring different parts. Oh my! That's our raspberries.
Let's go look around this.
Ben,
What?
good job. You gonna go inside and write about it now? Yeah. Huh. Yeah. We don't like to write, do we? But we got to, right? We got to, right? Do any of you guys have kids who just hate writing, no matter what they're writing about? Because I have one right here.
Long.
I won't.
I hate that because
I hear ya.
when it's long, it's going to be nighttime. Then I will just...
That's because you sit there and don't write. You're like, I don't want to do this. It's a full sentence. Come on. All right, let's go in. Finish our day. Okay?
Quite a little.
All right. Let's go. So I had to get a hoodie on because being outside made me kind of cold. Then got his work done. He did a lot of writing about trees, but I'm going to just take and paper clip them together, put them in his binder in the back, and he's done with that. Normally we do blossom and root nature studies, but we've been learning about the forest, so I kind of added one of my own in. Gio is down for a nap, and we spent our morning just playing with the kids and going out and voting. So, not much to see there. But they are now working on tying knots, like square knots and box knots and all kinds of stuff like that. And then after dinner, we will be doing meditation together before bed, calming down, and that's our day. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Bye.